A lot of people on the internet are saying that this is the best knife sharpener they've ever used. So I've bought myself one and today I'm going to test it out. In the box you get this magnetic timber block and then you get the knife sharpener itself. The magnetic timber block is the secret to this whole thing, and on one end it's got a 15-degree angle and on the other end it's got a 20-degree angle. This is what's meant to allow you to achieve the perfect edge on your knife while you're sharpening it. There's magnets on either end that hold the knife in place during sharpening. And then there's the knife sharpener itself, which is this little roller. It's got diamond sharpening discs on either side. On one side, there's a coarser 400 grit disc, which is what you use to set the initial edge. And then on the other side, there's a 1000 grit, much finer sharpening disc, which is for really honing that edge once you've got it sharp. So I've got my good Zwilling chef's knife from Germany, and it hasn't been sharpened in quite some time. As you can see, we're going to try and sharpen this up. Now I've done a bit of research, and for this particular knife, I'm going to sharpen it to a 15-degree edge on either side, which is going to give me a sharper, finer finish. The 20-degree edge is going to give a slightly less sharp edge, but it will be a bit more durable. So all I need to do now is get the magnetic timber block with the 15-degree angle and then put the knife on there. It's going to hold that nicely in place. And then starting with the coarser disc, I'm going to start to roll that back and forth. Now I'm going to flip the knife around and do the other side. Now after working that for a little bit, I'm going to work it with the fine 1000 grit side of the sharpener. Flipping the knife over again. All right, well I spent a couple of minutes on each side of the knife with each of the discs. So let's see how well it actually sharpened it. So definitely a lot sharper. Was pretty easy to do. Is it the world's best sharpener? No, I don't think so. I think you'll definitely get a better result with a whetstone. Like this isn't going to be sharp enough to shave with. But for what it is and how easy to use it is, it's going to give you a sharp knife with relatively little effort.